How to fix WhatsApp microphone problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how you can solve if WhatsApp says microphone problem, or maybe you're not being able to send audio messages or anything like that from the WhatsApp app. So just make sure to stick with me till the end. If you use WhatsApp and then maybe you've been trying to, let's say, send a voice message to someone but you're having some kind of issues, it could be very common that you have a microphone access not enabled. To enable this, all you have to do is, if you're using Android, it's very simple. You can long press the app icon here, then tap on the I button to come to its app information page. Then when you come to the app info page, all you have to do over here is go to the option called permissions, and from permissions you want to simply scroll, look for microphone, and make sure to select allow while using the app. After you do that, you can come back, then you can simply go to storage and cache and clear the cache files. Do not click on clear data because that will delete all of your chats if you have not backed up. And last but not the least, simply open up your Play Store and then just try to search for the WhatsApp app over here. Check if the WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.